Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi Iman. As many of you were requesting about the video on the procedure of admission into NIMS BSc nursing course, this is the video for them who are requesting for this. So in this video we will discuss about the notification issue date and the number of seats and what is the eligibility criteria for this and what is the reservation and the local area reservation and application procedure, what is the entrance test and the method of selection, fee structure, everything we are going to discuss in this video. So please do watch video till end. So first of all, coming to the number of seats and duration of course and entry qualification. There are total number of 100 seats. This course is only for women in NIMS college. So duration of this course is 4 years. So qualification required is candidate with science who have passed 12th standard examination and must have obtained 45 percentage minimum in physics, chemistry and biology taken together and passed in English individually. And the English is compulsory subject in 10 plus 2 for being eligible for admission. Colorblind candidates are eligible provided the color corrective contact lens and spectacles are worn by such candidates. Candidates shall be medically fit. Married candidates are also eligible for admission. In respect of candidates belonging to the SC, ST and BC categories, the marks obtained in 3 core subjects, that is physics, chemistry and biology, shall be 40% instead of 45 for general category. So 5 seats are reserved for regular in-service candidates working in NIMS. Minimum age is 17 years completed on or before 31st December 2021 and should not be more than 35 years as on 31st December 2021. The upper age limit is relaxable by 5 years in the case of disabled candidates. Next comes is the statutory reservations for SCs, STs and BCs. So reservation for SC is 15%, for ST it is 66% and for backward candidates is 29%. Individually describing, for BCA it is 7%, for BCB it is 10%, for BCC it is 1% and for BCD 7% and BCE 4% respectively. Next comes is the local area reservation. 85% of seats shall be reserved in favor of local candidates of Telangana state in relation to local area as provided in Telangana Education Institutes. And the other is for non-local candidates, that is 15% is unreserved seats only. Then comes is the application procedure. The online application registration, notification and instructions to fill the application is available at NIMS website given in the description. That is from 11th am of 17th September 2021 to 7th October 2021. And the last date for submission of hard copy of online application is 11th October 2021. So incomplete online and handwritten application forms are liable to rejected. So an amount of 700 rupees only towards application fee should be remitted through payment gateway using credit card or debit card issued by banks in India or through internet banking. Application fee is not refundable even if the application is summarily rejected. Then duly signed hard copy of online application of candidates shall be submitted to the Associated Dean Academic 2 second floor Old OPD Block, Nizam's Institute of Medical Sciences, Hyderabad, 5,82 on or before 5 pm of 11th October 2021 along with the all documents mentioned in the video as shown in the video. The online application will not be considered without submission of hard copy of the same online application along with the required documents or certificates as prescribed. Then comes is the entrance exam. There will be the entrance exam conducted at the venue, date and time specified in the hall ticket issued by the institution. Hall ticket needs to be downloaded from NIMS website by logging in with registration number and password on the prescribed date. The institute is not responsible for not obtaining web-based hall tickets. Okay, and next, the pattern of examination will be like the selection of candidates should be based on merit of the entrance examination. So examination comprise of following subjects at intermediate level: biology 20 marks, chemistry 20 marks, physics 20 marks, aptitude for nursing is 20 marks, and English is 20 marks. The selection shall be by entrance exam consisting of 100 multiple choice questions. The duration of examination will be 2 hours and the medium of examination is English, and minimum qualifying marks for entrance shall be 50% marks. And the method of selection includes the selection shall be based on the merit in the entrance examination. Candidates shall be ranked in the order of merit based on the marks obtained in the entrance examination. Merit list of the eligible candidates and the names of the candidates qualified for the counseling will be displayed at NIMS website. Link is given in the description. In case the candidate fails to report the counseling, she forfeits the right to admission. Fee structure is as shown in the video. Admission fee is 3,000 and the security deposit that should be one-time invest, that is 1,000. Admission fee is non-refundable. Security deposit is refundable. Then the tuition fee annually will be the 31,250. This will be same for all the 4 years. Then comes is the library fee 1,000. This should be paid annually, and examination fee will be 1,300 per annum, and the transport fee will be 1,500 per annum. Affiliation fee is 1,000 rupees. So altogether you have to pay 40,050 rupees in first year and 36,050 rupees annually for 3 years. So this was the procedure of admission into the NIMS BSc nursing course. Hope you liked the video. Hope you got all the information. If you have any queries, please do comment below and I'll try to reply all the comments. And please do subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon to receive every notification from Haya Iman. Thanks for watching.